Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, I hope everybody's happy. So this is just a very quick impromptu video which I've decided to make, and it's about problem solving. Now there's a little bit of an issue here which I wasn't really quite sure how to deal with it basically, so I've decided to just leave it and come back to it. So the issue is, once I've actually put insulation in this area here and under this section of board, I need to refit the flooring. Now whilst there's a nice bit of joist there to reattach it to, there's nothing actually underneath this section here, and I wasn't really quite sure what to do with it, so I've deliberately left it in abeyance and decided to come back to it. So I've just had a little bit of a brainwave basically, so I'm just going to grab the tape and measure the distance between the two joists. So the distance is round about 380, well in fact it is 385 millimetres or thereabouts, and I've already measured this, and the measurement is consistent along there. So I'm just going to take you into the other room and demonstrate what it is that I'm going to do in order to solve the problem. So the problem is, how do I attach boarding down there? I can support it this side but not that side. What am I going to do? I'll just go into the other room and I'll show you. Right, okay, now I've got some timber here which I saved. I dismantled something basically in the house, so what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to make a structure similar to this. I mean, this is a bit cat-candy, but this is the gist of it. So I'm going to make a structure like this. Right folks, so I've cut, measured and fixed together these items here. So the total length of those needs to be no more than 385. That's about spot on. Yeah, that should be fine hopefully. So what we need to do then, try and get these between the joists. So basically then what needs to happen is each one of these needs to fix between the joists, and it will be screwed into place on either side. Right, now I've just had a little play with this and I can't get it under there. The angle is just a little bit too steep for me, okay, even if I whack it this side with a hammer, the other side is too low down. If you can see anything if I do that, it's too low. Okay, so what I'm going to do is remove these screws here, so it will just leave me with a T, fix this end to the joist on the other side and then try and slip this in, see if that works. Right, okay, so this part of the apparatus is fixed into place securely, so what I'm going to do now, just get this remaining bit of timber here, look, just whack it into place and secure it, and then just do likewise over here. So I'm now going to secure these timbers by screwing in as follows. So I'm sorry about the piecemeal nature of this video, but it is completely impromptu and I don't have a tripod with me. Right, so there we go folks, all done and dusted and absolutely rock solid. Now for the next one. Right, okay, so both of those are in now, and I will concede that it may not be the most impressive piece of joinery you'll ever see. However, it is fit for purpose and are absolutely rock solid. So that will certainly support the piece of flooring which needs to go in there. So the next thing I need to do, put the insulation in there and then just refit the flooring.